Hi everybody, welcome to my garden. Today I want to show you how you can make very easily a beautiful bouquet from just picking some flowers from your garden. What I want to do today is to show you how you can make the most beautiful bouquet without planning too much, from just walking around your garden and picking some flowers. Some of these purples. Maybe from that side back or from this side? But I have more there as well. I love my garden and I love walking around my garden. Most of the time just to enjoy it, or to have some time for myself, my partner and my dogs. Or just have a little bit of work and a lot of enjoyment. What do you think? Videos, keep tuning back, sign up to follow us and maybe give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much and I'll talk to you soon.